Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add a TikTok shop product link to TikTok videos. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. It's a very easy process. For that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Go to your profile and then make sure you're switched to your seller account or shop account that you're logged in with. Once you have done that, you are preparing to upload a video. You have to make sure the video that you're uploading the product about, let's say that's your own product and you have posted the product link of in your shop. All you need to do is simply go ahead and copy that particular link of that particular product video or the shop product that you have, and then when you go to upload a video, let's say go to plus, upload a video, tap on next. You can simply go ahead, paste that particular link right over here, product link that you have simply copied, and once you have done that, you can go ahead, tap on this post icon, and the video will be posted with the product link. You can later mention that in your video as well, that the link has been copied, pasted, or pasted right below at the caption. And that's all you need to do. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.